These car evolution videos are going viral on YouTube right now. Just look at this channel, it gained 74,000 subscribers with only 51 videos, and many of its uploads are getting millions of views. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos using free AI tools. Now watch what I created in less than 5 minutes. First, open ChatGPT, click on Apps, then GPTs, and search for Car Evolution. Open the first result and click on Highway Scene Prompt. It will ask you for a location. For example, I chose a desert. Instantly, ChatGPT generated 5 image prompts. Pick the one you like, copy it, and head over to Google Flow. Paste the prompt, choose your desired settings, and click Generate. Within seconds, your highway image will be ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and type Car Evolution prompt. It will ask for a car model. For example, I chose the BMW 3 Series. Instantly, ChatGPT generates 5 image prompts and 1 video prompt. Copy prompt 1, return to Google Flow, add your highway image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready. Generate all the images using the same method. For video generation, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. In Google Flow, select Frames to Video, choose the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Just like that, your first clip is ready. Generate all the clips using the same process. Finally, import everything into your favorite editing app, arrange the clips in sequence, add the car name and year on screen, and your car evolution video is ready to go viral.